meantime play out a breaking update of what we are getting to know. That the Railways Mantri is now en route the accident site. This is a big development that is now taking place, immediately taking into cognizance the impact of this accident, this collision, which has reported as far as 5 people losing their lives. Ashwini Vaishnav will now be leaving for the accident site to take stock of the situation. We have Adrija with us. Adrija, the centre has taken stock of the situation. We are told that the Union Railway Minister will be also making his way to the site.
Well, absolutely. You see now, from what we're getting to know, the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will be reaching the site where this tragic accident has taken place, and the death toll is 5 as of now, but is expected to go up. 25 to 30 people are already reported to be injured, who are being given medical assistance. Even the rescue operation is going on as of now, as several compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express, which was en route towards Kolkata, was hit, and several compartments in the rear portion of the train has been derailed, and many people are trapped inside that particular train, those particular compartments. And administration, the disaster management team has also reached the spot, who are conducting the rescue operation as of now. Several help desk, helpline numbers have been set up, war rooms have been set up, medical tents have been set up. So of course, all the administration are working together hand in hand to ensure that as much as possible passenger safety is possible. They can be rescued from that particular compartments. Those have been derailed, and given proper medical assistance. Ambulances have also reached the location. At least 15 ambulances are present at the location. Medical teams of experts are also at the location. We were just talking to Raju Bista just a few minutes ago, and Raju Bista himself is there, supervising and monitoring the entire situation that is unfolding. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also taken out to her social media account, mentioning that she is taking a note of the entire situation, and of course sending as many help as possible. And now the Union Minister, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is also en route towards Bagdogra and will be reaching Darjeeling district, where this particular accident have taken place.
Right, Adrija, for the benefit of our viewers who are joining in right now, we'll explain to us in exactly 10 points on how this tragedy actually occurred. Taking a look as far as what had happened was that this goods train that collided with the express train, the Kanchenjunga Express train, coming at a high speed from behind, it hit from the rear side. Let's take a look at another development. As far as sources have been suggesting that it was the goods train that possibly overshot the signal, being on the same track, and that hit hard, and that was the collision and the impact that was witnessed. Around 5 people reportedly dead. According to the Bengal police, we are looking at 25 to 30 passengers who have suffered injuries and have been shifted to hospitals. Meanwhile, NDRF, 15 ambulances that have been rushed to the site. Of course, pictures coming in of also the locals also coming out to help with the rescue operation. The loco pilot of the freight train of the goods train is reportedly dead. He is unfortunately has lost his life. Another development that we talk of is the Railways has issued helpline numbers, the same helpline numbers that are running across your television screens as well. Darjeeling MP Raju Bista, we also had a word with him a short while back. He is also reaching the site. Ashwini Vaishnav, the Union Railway Minister, is also reaching the site. Rescue operations are now on at war fitting. He himself will be reaching Bagdogra in a short while. There is a high-level meeting on rail safety that has also been called. And these are the developments as we are also looking at the Bengal government ministers, which are also at the war room, and the Chief Minister herself has raised concerns over this accident that has been reported this morning.
थोड़ा गंभीर है ये, आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिरेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5, अभी तक हमने रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आगे है। हम
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद। 1-2 जो है डेड बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रोक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग, तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला सामने कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी
सिर में चोट लगा तो मैं तुरंत, मेरा फैमिली भी है ट्रेन में, मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ में बाहर आया और मैं देखा कई आदमी ऐसा जो है पैसेंजर है जो बाहर आ गया। फिर हम बाहर जब आया फिर देखा कि इधर पीछे से कोई मालगाड़ी इस ट्रेन में एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। फिर हम तो उसके बाद हम क्या करूँगा वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, बारिश भी चल रहा था। फिर हम वो बाहर तरफ भाग गया, फिर आग भी लग गया, कोई बोले आग लग गया। फिर जब देखा थोड़ा आग कम हुआ फिर हम ट्रेन के अंदर आया, लेकिन हम थोड़ा घबराए हुए हैं, मेरे सिर में भी चोट आया है।
अच्छा, तो मतलब जब घटना घटा तब आप कहाँ थे? ट्रेन के अंदर?
मैं ट्रेन के अंदर था।
तो क्या आवाज कैसा आया आपको?
आवाज मतलब मेरा तो B1 कोच था, बहुत जोर से मतलब झटका दिया है। तो जैसे झटका दिया तो सब ऐसे बोल रहा था कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया। हम भी चिल्ला रहा था, सब रो रहा था। फिर हम तुरंत बाहर आके देखा कि यहाँ पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ट्रेन का।
अच्छा, तो अभी क्या है, कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है? कुछ आपने देखा है कुछ, या आपके बॉगी में कितने लोग इंजर्ड हुए?
मेरा बॉगी में तो मैं एक इंजर्ड हुआ, मेरे सिर में लगा है, बाद बाकी किसी का नहीं हुआ है। ऐसे तो पीछे से देख रहा था 2-3 आदमी आपका क्या डेथ हुआ है, हम यही देखा है।
अच्छा, अभी आप लोगों को रेस्क्यू किया गया है?
हाँ, रेस्क्यू किया। अभी मेरे बोला ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए, अभी आया ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए।
अच्छा।